Well guys, we got her hooked up, but she's not level. Alright guys, so it's the first time we're driving the new truck with the diesel, and we got to go over what's in front of us somewhere. Hopefully not directly over it, because that looks pretty intense. Definitely towing like a dream right now though, compared to the gas engine we had. Up we go! Still don't know what we're going to name the truck yet, but it might end up being Betty 2.0. Well, we are slowly making it over this pass. Going about 25 miles per hour up the pass right now. We'll make it there eventually. Looks like we might be going down now. We'll see. Man, they really are working on this road though.
Yeah. It's pretty crazy actually.
Pretty tight. Keep on switching from one side to the other side. Where are we going to today, Deanna?
Death Valley National Park in California.
And we're avoiding the coronavirus in Death Valley National Park. Death Valley National Park. Between the coronavirus and the fact that it's Death Valley National Park, I doubt we'll have too many people out here, but we'll see. Look at that view. I don't think you're going to be able to understand how awesome that is unless you come here yourselves. So come here yourselves if you're not quarantined somewhere. It's getting warmer.
So right now we are at sea level.
We're going to go below sea level. So right now we're swimming through the sea. New truck's doing pretty well underwater. Pretty epic views all around. So yeah, we are what?
282 feet below sea level.
Okay. We aren't gonna walk too far because we're leaving the dog in the truck like we have to do at so many national parks. Badwater Basin, 282 feet, 85.5 meters below sea level. Probably won't be talking it too much because, well, it's a little windy out here. As you can see by just looking at the water. It's not Yellowstone, it doesn't have any springs making that bubble. It's the wind. Then the wind died and no longer existed. Alright guys, so there is a ton of hiking stuff to do here. We have the dog with us, so we can't really do much hiking besides some stuff right off each of the viewpoints. But we first went to Badwater Basin just because we wanted to go to the lowest place in North America. So we did that. Then we might drive back up this way and hit up some of these other viewpoints. This is the largest national park outside of Alaska, so we probably won't be able to hit up most of this today, but we'll just try to get to what we can. Not really sure. We didn't really do a whole lot of research, so we're not really sure which are the coolest points to hit up, but we'll just kind of play this by ear and show you around. So that was Badwater Basin. Now we're gonna start heading towards Artist Drive. Alrighty, so we're going to Artist Palette. Oh, that's a different.
That's one of the viewpoints.
It's one of the viewpoints on the drive itself. So we're taking Artist Drive right now and hopefully show you some pretty cool views. Crazy the difference between the wind right up there and where we're walking now. About blew my head off, and then there's like no wind where we are. It's a really good barrier.
Yeah.
Let's set up camp right here. Yeah, I can see why people like this room. Whee! So really all of our hiking today is just walking over to these different viewpoints, but still a little bit of exercise. Definitely not going to be getting 8 or 9 miles in today, but we get to check out these awesome sites. This is called Artist Palette for obvious reasons. Look at that. So Deanna's artist over there. You want to get a paintbrush and start messing with the rock and get some colors mixed together there?
Sounds good.
Pretty epic views, guys. Not a whole lot living through here, but maybe that's why they call it Death Valley.
Yeah.
Pretty much driving through a wash right now. At least that's what it feels like. A paved wash. Look at all the different colored rocks. It's crazy. Try not to hit the new truck on any of the rocks.
Yes, please.
I don't know, I've been through some Starbucks drive-thrus that have been tighter than this.
Sonic.
Yeah. Alright, we're back on the main road here, and we're heading towards...
The Mesquite Flat Sand Dunes.
They're flat. Are they really dunes? Guess we'll find out. And we found ourselves an oasis! So we just drove through Furnace Creek Campground and right by the visitor center, but we're gonna keep on going until we can find ourselves some dunes. Check out those dunes. Well, we made it to the dunes. They're kind of sandy. See? Sandy. We're gonna go hike out to the furthest one that we can see.
We didn't even do that at the Great Sand Dunes.
Because those were a lot higher. I already got sand in my shoes from kicking that. Dang it. Good thing I wear contacts, apparently. So we just hit up the dunes. Now it looks like I gotta turn around. Where are we going to next, Deanna?
Hold on, I don't know the name of it off the top of my head. Harmony Borax Works? Wait, was that it?
Alright, time to try to avoid hitting people. Alright, so where are we at now, Deanna?
Harmony Borax Works, I think.
Light gold, apparently. Ooh, that's a bright light on my face. It's only open for 5 years. And if you do need gas, it is expensive here, so make sure you're topped off before you come into the campground. That's all I have to say. Making our way up to Dante's View, not to be confused with Dante's Peak, where there's a bunch of fireballs, pyroclastic clouds, and a lot of people dying. This isn't that.
We're not planning on it, at least.
Well, this isn't a volcano. Alright guys, you ready for this? Think they're ready?
Okay.
Alright, gonna start panning now. Badwater is 282 feet below sea level, and Dante's View is 5,475 feet above, so about close to 6,000 feet difference.
Yeah, and then the snow-capped mountains over there at 11,000.
Yeah, so 11,000. Yeah, here's another good view. We're right here. The basin's right down there. Black Mountain, Furnace Creek, Telescope Peak. I guess you might be able to drive up to this area. And the Panamint Range. It It would be absolutely awesome to see this place at nighttime with all the stars around, but they do say you can see Los Angeles and Las Vegas fairly easily with the light pollution, but I bet if you look the other way around you'd be fine. Maybe. I don't know. Looks like you can actually hike up there, but I think we're gonna get back to Blaze. Oh, I'll show you the other side real quick. Well, it's getting a lot of it snowy now.